Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about short haircut ideas for older women. As we get older, our hair naturally changes. It may become thinner, softer, or a little dry. That is completely normal. The good news is that short haircut can make you look fresh, confident, and elegant. They are also very easy to manage. Let's look at some beautiful short haircut ideas. First is the pixie cut. The pixie cut is short and simple. It is perfect if you want a low maintenance style. This haircut makes your face look bright and open. It is easy to wash and dries quickly. You only need a small amount of styling cream to keep in a shape. Second is the classic bob haircut. A bob cut usually comes to the chin or slightly below. It looks neat and stylish. This haircut frames the face beautifully and works well for both straight and slightly wavy hair. You can keep it simple or add soft layers for more movement. Next is the layered shortcut. Layers give the hair more volume and shape. If your hair feels flat, layers can make it look fuller. This style is light and natural. It does not need heavy styling. A simple blow dry is enough. Another great idea is the short shag haircut. This cut has soft layers and texture. It gives a relaxed and modern look. It is perfect for women who want something stylish but not too formal. For women who prefer a neat look, the cropped cut is a good choice. This haircut is clean and easy to comb. It looks confident and strong. It is also perfect for warm weather. Now let's talk about grey or silver hair. Short haircuts look especially beautiful with natural grey hair. Grey hair can look classy and modern. A good cut can make the silver color shine even more. Why are shorter haircuts great for older women? First, they save time. You don't need to spend a lot of time styling every morning. Second, they are easy to care for. Short hair needs less shampoo, less drying time, and fewer products. Third, they can make you look younger. A fresh haircut lifts your face and highlights your best features. So friends, keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. Thanks for watching my video. See you again. Allah Hafiz.